Hello everyone. Today we have a question from JEE Mains 2018, and this is a question about finding the error in measurement of a density. So you can read the question. The question says the density of a material in the shape of a cube is determined by measuring three sides of the cube and its mass. If the relative errors in measuring the mass and length are 1.5% and 1%, the maximum error in determining the density will be which of the following. So we have to find the maximum error. So first thing that we need to do, we have to find out what actually makes up the formula for density. So the first thing we need to write in this case is density, of course, and we all know from very small classes that density is equal to mass upon volume. And so here what are we trying to do is we are trying to find out what actually goes into forming these numbers, these errors that are the measurements. So mass we measure as m, and volume we all know is a cube, so we can say cube of length. Now if we, in order to understand what constitutes this percentage error, we have to first analyze what kind of difference does this exponential number make, whether it is a cube or a square. What kind of error would that actually make? Will it be impacted linearly, or will it impact exponentially in this case? So, and we'll add both the errors possible. So we know that the maximum error that was found in measuring the mass was 1.5%, and in length 1%. So we know that 1.5 times the error was during finding the mass of it, and while finding the volume the error was 1%. So let's write that down. So now we know that error in density, we can say error in density, we'll need a symbol to denote it. So we can say the wrong density upon original density. This is the error in density, and what this means is that error in mass, this is error in mass, the wrong the change plus minus upon the original one, and we'll add the another one, and that will be difference of length upon length. Now since we have L cube here, this cube, this exponential power, this will impact it in this way. It will be multiplied. So whatever error that was calculated in the length, it will be multiplied 3 times. Suppose the length was, let's say, 2 centimeter, and it was wrongly accounted as, let's say, 3 centimeter. This was a +1 error in our case. This is just an example. So a +1 error. So what will happen is, if you put this in the formula for cube, when you make the cube, so if you want to take the density, you will take mass upon 2 cube. But in this case, the error case, it becomes mass upon L cube, which is mass upon 3 cube. So this is how the error is impacted. If you measure something wrong in a linear way in the formula of density, the error becomes exponential. So I just did that to explain it a little better. This is a very easy question according to me. Obviously it's a very easy question. Easily you can score this, and now that you've written this, all you have to do is, these values are actually given to you here. This 1.5 and 1, these are these values. All you have to do is simply multiply them. So we can write down as 1.5%. This is the delta m upon m, and this is percentage. So, and we add 3 times of 1%. So now you understand why we're multiplying this by 3. So this is 1%. This delta m upon m is 1.5%, as this is given here, and this 1%, this is just this without the 3. So we just multiply that, and this is how we'll get 4.5%. So this is the maximum error, and which is of course option C. So the correct option is option C here. And as you can see, very easy question, and this is from JEE Main 2018 physics. And if you want more such questions that you want to solve, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @sota Instagram, that is @sota Insta. I will also leave a link in the description, and there on my stories I post questions from IIT JEE daily, and I give you options. You can select those options and find out if your answer was correct or not. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want more questions like this. So thank you very much. I hope everyone has a nice day.